this video, you are going to learn what is an enharmonic. Hi, my name is Ilse Lozoya. I'm going to explain to you what is an enharmonic, why it is important to understand this concept, and I'm going to give you some practical examples at the piano. An enharmonic, the quickest way to understand this is that two notes that are written in a different way but must be played in the same key. I'm going to give you an example. Let's imagine that we are going to play E, but you need to play E sharp. We have 5 accidentals: sharp, flat, natural, double sharp, and double flat. In this case, you need to play E sharp. So A sharp, you need to go up the just half tone, a semitone. So instead of playing E, I am going to play right here. So I am going to play right here, but you may say, well, this is F. Well, there are 2 ways of calling this key. This is F, natural F, but could be E sharp. You may think, well, this is kind of confusing. Why is this? Why does this term exist? Well, the thing is that theoretically, in music theory, sometimes we need to call in a different way the keys. And these are the kind of most common ways of find these enharmonics. So in this case, this is E sharp or natural F. Let's think the opposite. This is F, but if I ask you to play F flat, so instead of playing this F, you need to play right here, because you're going to below the note a semitone. So this is going to be F flat, which is being played in the same key than E, natural E. So I can say that F flat and natural E are enharmonics. Let's check another example. This is C. If I ask you to play C flat, you need to below the note, semitone. So instead of playing right here, you need to play right here. So this is C flat. The other name is natural B. So this is B flat or, no, I'm sorry, C flat or B, right? Let's think the opposite. Instead of playing B, I can ask you to play B sharp. It's been played in the same key than C. So I can tell that B sharp and C are enharmonics. Sometimes we need to use a specific name, right? Let's take an example with the chord of F major. This is the chord of F major. In music theory, this is F, A, and C, and we need to respect the triad, right? So I cannot say that this is E sharp instead of F. This is F because I am working with F major. What happens if I remember that I am playing this and this is F in the chord of F major? But what happens if I need to play C sharp major? The chord of C sharp major is right here. And as you can see, I am playing the same key. But in C sharp major, this is going to be E sharp. C sharp, E sharp, and G sharp. I'm following the triad, that's why this is E sharp. And I cannot tell, it will be wrong if I say that this chord has the note F. So it's everything about the theory, right? But what happened in a practical way? Let's see if you are playing something and you find F, E sharp. You may think, well, this is F. That's okay, no problem, but you need to understand that maybe it's written as E sharp and I need to follow that. As the given example of C sharp major, it is very common to say that this is F. Well, no, it is E sharp. The example of the C sharp major chord, right? You may think I am playing the same note that F, the same key, so that's okay, but you need to be theoretically correct when you write or when you speak or explain this. So this is an enharmonic. I really hope that this explanation can give you a easier way to understand this term. It's just about understanding that two notes can be written in a different way but are being played in the same key. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any other tutorials about piano music, music theory, or many other things about music. Thank you for watching this video.